Halo guys, good night. Welcome back to my channel Crypto Viral. Information about cryptocurrency, istio, trading, and bounty program. Okay, let's talk all about cryptocurrency. This is a new era of technology blockchain. Maybe you know so many people invest your money with cryptocurrency, istio, and other cryptocurrency to make more profit. Okay, the next this night I will be review this one project. The name is Flexocoin. Flexocoin. This is about cryptocurrency exchange. But uh, before I am review this project, you can subscribe my channel for more information if you need. Okay. Let's go to website Flexocoin. Hello guys, this is display of website Flexocoin or Flexo Exchange. You can see here this is a very good exchange. You can see here maybe you can try to trading ETH and altcoin here for more profit. Okay, here this is you can click here to VIP, and here this is Flexi Academy, and here OTC trading, and here this is blogging, and here this is exchange, and here margin trading, lending, and here all about Flexocoin, and here this is airdrop for free coin Flexo. Okay, maybe you can try here to trading coin exchange. So many people here registration, and you can see here this is altcoin for your trading on BTC, and here for TRY, and here for USD. Okay, the next this is here all about Flexocoin. You can click here. Okay, let's see it. Here all about Flexocoin. Flexocoin is infrastructure. Flexocoin is ERC20 token with Ethereum platform. If you want to see here, you can click here for Ether scan. Supply quality fixed coin, total 10 billion token. Although Flexocoin should be stored on Flexo.com wallet to benefit from airdrop, voting commission, discount ads, and also to be stored in Swapcap, Hardcap, Ethereum wallet on my Ethereum wallet, Ledger, Nano, MetaMask, Aido, and Edge. And here this is Flexo is a utility token to be used on Flexo.com crypto asset trading platform, primarily to be used for maybe you can using for payment of trading commission, coin voting, receiving airdrop from new listing, lending, margin trading, EO participation, and here this is a Flexocoin EOA. Flexocoin EOA for Flexocoin is frozen at Q3 this year. Stock to the TBR. 10% for total supply will be offered in exchange to ETH. Subcap 1 million. Flexo and until subcap receive 40% discount until subcap, and hardcap of 5 million. And after subcap receive airdrop bounty program. Airdrop or bounty program token delivery will be independent from issuer's current. They will be delivery instant. Issue will be held via Ethereum market smart contract. Some contract will be include the fastback token mother name. Any issue participator can be sent PLX to get ETH back to with the free month after issue. Okay, this here and here, this is this distribution of Flexo coin. 50% will be distribution for free user of Flexo.com for second up or reward airdrop bounty program. 30% for receive team advisor and ambassador to be calculation burn with 2 year time frame. 10% receive for marketing exchange, listing fee, trading, competition and fees ads, and 10% will be exchange for Ethereum in each year and Q3 of this year. Okay, this is a graphic of calculation or supply Flexo coin. You can see here. Okay, the next what is vision of Flexo coin? You can see here. Vision of Flexo and Felix coin. Basic Flexo is new generation crypto asset trading platform based in Turkey. This time owner, the platform are extreme skill and expert code. This is a Flexo coin. This is exchange from Turkey with very good future. Maybe you can try. This is very good. I think this is so very good for you. Okay, Flexo is financial technology company, the founder of the Bad Academy and Carno software company has developed software project with many local and foreign computer company. Was founded in 20 this year. Sapar Algan and Agus Jagmur who have been awarded many times by Microsoft to most valuable professional MVP. Flexo work and development and optimization of five full-time developer system in infrastructure. And here this is a developer of Flexo Exchange. The name is Sapar Algan, and here Agus Jagmur. Here this is the title of project. History of development of new stall like branding, marketing, trading, airdrop, and this at the local competitor in Turkey. Turkey has big number of crypto owners, trader Europa, where there hope potential to grow. Turning to Turkey, bus platform are probably software and most trustworthy in the world since a single click exists. Scam at and be reporting so far among the big number of them. However, exchange and Turkey based platform has been very successful and slow to scope up with new trade and development so far, and the local trader I am most approaching in bargain platform. Although Flexo was the primacy to be lending trading platform on local market with a cutting edge service and understand. This is not possible without the big global platform since Turkey users are supposedly determined on global person only preferring use what class platform, so what switch on target to global market. The idea of PLX or Flexo coin is born affirming with the global which PLX will be crosses global recognition and approach of the platform. In order the solid global platform, a big and loyal community is essential to assure of the PLX in capital and a generous airdrop, so that new user can get to and appreciate the top-notch technology and excellent user experience of Flexo. And here, this is a business model of Flexo coin. You can read here. PLX can be used on alternative to BTC for exchange commission in all listing assets. The amount of exchange commission will be depending on placing and holder by user. If you holding this placing coin, you can get this is depending of token holder. You can see here. Okay, this is a buyback for token burn process. 20% of the quarterly profit of Pixelcoin and affiliates platform will be used to buy back PLX from the market. Book back the token will be born, will be transparent, visible via Ethereum Explorer. Detailed and transparent information will be provided before you after the burning process. Okay, this is good for you. uh, I think Plexo Exchange is very fire and save your money and altcoin. Okay, the next this is airdrop. You can click here to try airdrop for get free coin Plexo coin. Okay, Plexo coin airdrop and bounty dashboard. Okay, this here you can see this application. You can get hair coin and for KYC you can create hair. Okay, this is airdrop for Plexo coin. You can try for get free coin. Okay, this is a very good. If you want more information, you can click here. This is a social media of Plexo coin. Okay, all is done. This is the type of project. You can click here. Okay, see you next time. I have not any time for review this project. But if you want more information, you can contact me on Telegram or Facebook. Okay, see you next time and see you. Goodbye.